Yes. Points.
Oh, so that's it?
No.
That's now the...
Can I have a stack of clean 4x4 dots?
Okay.
So then, we're going to turn my funny light on. And
Yeah.
we're going to turn out the lights, okay? And then we're going to look in the eyes. Oh dear.
I was like, it's dark in here. You guys still in here? So that checks for some bacteria, or?
It tests for scratches on the eye. I don't think it's sticking. Well, let's look at this side. Nope. Okay.
You can take a picture of motion like that.
No, but the movie's still rolling.
Oh no,
Did
please
it-
turn
did
it
it work?
off.
Yeah, I think it worked.
So I'll send you a copy.
Okay.
Would you like?
Yeah.
Or I post it on your Facebook. Okay, just take a picture of that green dye. Just a picture.